go. Damn it, I always hate this Eton.
Eton to Manistee, Michigan, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Manitowoc to 30 nautical miles east of Bayside to 22 nautical miles east of Windsor Harbor.
Okay, I was just reading off a tornado warning.
Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and large hail.
Wow.
Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include Saugatuck Pier Heads, Little Salem Point Light, White Lake Pier Heads, Grand Haven Light, Muskegon Light, and the White Lake Pier Heads. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for southwestern Michigan and the adjacent waters of Lake Michigan.
I wasn't expecting that. And stupid Eton was on siren alert. I hate this.